Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Also, a quick disclaimer, I forgot to tell you about that. I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because there you will be able to find all of the codes I will present you today. You can check some further details about the codes, some descriptions, etc. So and of course many more different tutorials, like for example hard reset operation, etc. So I highly recommend to click in the link. And now we can go back to the secret codes. So let me show you another one which will open the charging and the battery information. It is *##. It is 6845. No. It is 6485 ###. And there we've got our charging and battery information. So if for some reason your device does not show you the info in the settings or in the status bar about the battery, you can enter here. You can check whether it is charging right now, whether there's something attached. You can check the exact health and the status, the level at the top, for example. So now let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##, 225 ###. And as I said, we are in the current calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your calendar should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Now we can go back and let me open the testing menu. It is *##, 4636 ###. And there we've got the phone info divided into two sections, and the Wi-Fi info. It is divided because we've got also two different SIM cards. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, you can check the information just like the email number, phone number, roaming, data network type or voice network type. Of course, I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, no worries, you will be able to check everything. Here we can run ping tests also, and the results, and see the results which are right here. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back, and here we've got also the Wi-Fi information. We can check the API configuration and the status. So let me choose the status. We can refresh the stats, and right here we've got the information just like the network status SID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back and let me show you, I believe, the last code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##, 426 ###. And right here we've got the diagnostics. So here we can check the server, host port, and time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. And after tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And as you can see, we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.